Alright, here we are at question 14, and it says, in a new study, suppose scale A were placed upside down atop scale B so that the platform of scale A rested directly on the platform of scale B. Which of the following drawings best represents the results that would most likely be obtained from this arrangement? So if you've done the questions before this in the passage, one of the things we found out is that the scales equal or weigh 5 newtons, right? So we know the scale weighs 5 newtons. If you didn't do any of the earlier questions, you're just going to take our word for it. It weighs 5 newtons. So it's basically like putting a 5 newton weight, right? And we found out from earlier questions that 5 newtons happens here. So any of the drawings that don't have the lower scale with this arrow here, as F and H do, so those stay in. G and J, they have them at 10. So G goes and J goes. Now all we have to work out is what would the top scale do, right? So basically, if you think about it, right, the box part of the scale weighs 5 newtons. And basically, if you turn it upside down and you put the scale on a desk or something, and it weighed 5 newtons, the box part of the scale weighs 5 newtons, and you turn it upside down and let it go, it's going to go to 5 newtons, right? It's going to go to the weight of the scale part is going to go to, well, the platform part is going to take that 5 newton weight. So you see this one is upside down, but it's 0 here and that's 5 newtons here. It's disappearing again. Don't know why. So the answer is F. And if that, all right, if somebody can explain to me why it does that, that would be awesome. I don't know why it just disappears. And it might be easier actually to, since we get rid of G and J, it may be easier for us to eliminate H, because H has the arrow at 10. Right, I don't know why it's disappearing. I don't know why this pen has suddenly become the most amazing invisible ink pen ever. I'm sure I'll work out at some point. Flipping Microsoft pen. I'm just pressing all the buttons on it to see if anything works. Probably not. Anyway, without me being able to draw, this is 5 newtons. Oh, I thought it was going to stay. Answer F. Oh, let's answer F.